In this problem, it says a triangle has two sides of lengths 5 and 8. The restrictions for the perimeter of this triangle can be expressed in interval notation as parentheses k comma w parentheses. Determine these restrictions and express your answer in interval notation. Now, another way of thinking about interval notation is like this. K is less than whatever it is we're talking about, which is less than w. So if you're unfamiliar with interval notation, it's the same thing as an inequality. So we know two sides of a triangle are 5 and 8. Now, what is the shortest that that this side could be? Well, if it were 3, these two sides would just touch, but there wouldn't be any triangle. There'd be no area. So it has to be larger than 3. So what about the perimeter? Well, the perimeter has to be bigger than this. So 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 8 is 18. So the perimeter, this is side 3, so the perimeter must be larger than 16. Now what about the other way? What's the absolute largest this could be? We have 5, we have 8. The absolute biggest we could have here is 13. So this side, whatever it is, has to be less than 13. Because if it were longer, it wouldn't connect. So that means the perimeter has to be less than this. So 13 plus 5 is 18, plus 8 is 26. So that means less than 26. So as an inequality, our perimeter has to be 16 less than the perimeter, which is less than 26. But expressed as an interval, it's going to look like this, parentheses 16, comma, 26. And there's our answer. And we're done.